Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of figs, those deliciously sweet fruits that are perfect for snacking, baking, or adding to salads. If you've ever wondered how to get the best figs from your tree, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share my top tips for harvesting figs at the perfect time, ensuring they're as flavorful and juicy as possible. So, let's get started. One of the biggest challenges with figs is knowing exactly when to harvest them. Figs don't continue to ripen after they're picked, so timing is everything. Here's what to look for. Color change. Figs change color as they ripen, depending on the variety. For most common figs, look for a rich, deep hue like purple or black. Green figs will turn a yellowish green. Softness. Gently squeeze the fig. Ripe figs should feel soft but not mushy. If they're too hard, give them a few more days. Drooping neck. A sure sign that a fig is ready is when the neck of the fruit where it attaches to the tree starts to droop. The fig will hang down and look almost heavy on the branch. Tip figs won't ripen once they're off the tree, so make sure they're ready before you pick them. For the best flavor, try to harvest figs early in the morning. Overnight, figs retain their natural sugars, giving them a sweeter taste by morning. The cooler temperatures also help preserve their texture and moisture. Picking them in the morning also reduces the chance of sunburned fruit. Now let's talk about harvesting without damaging the fruit or tree. Figs can be delicate, so rather than pulling, gently twist them from the branch. This helps keep the skin intact and reduces damage to the tree. If the fig is a little harder to twist off, use a pair of garden scissors or pruners to cut it free. This keeps the fig whole and prevents tearing the branch. Tip: always wear gloves when harvesting figs. Some varieties release a sap that can irritate the skin. Once you've harvested your figs, handle them with care. Here's how to make sure they stay fresh and flavorful after picking. Figs bruise easily, so place them in shallow baskets or trays, and avoid stacking them too high. Fresh figs don't last long, so store them in the fridge if you're not planning to eat them right away. They should last around 2 to 3 days when refrigerated. Since figs are highly perishable, try to enjoy them within a day or two. If you have a large harvest, consider drying, freezing, or making fig jam. Let's go over a few common issues you might face with figs, and some tips to solve them. Figs attract ants and birds. To protect your figs, try using mesh bags or netting. Alternatively, a light coating of horticultural oil can keep ants away without harming the fruit. If your figs are dropping before ripening, it might be due to irregular watering. Make sure to water deeply and consistently, especially in hot weather. Figs can split if they get too much water too quickly. Try to maintain a regular watering schedule and consider mulching to help retain soil moisture. And that's it. My top tips for harvesting perfect figs. I hope you're excited to head out to your fig trees and give these tips a try. Let me know in the comments if you've had success with your fig harvest, or if you have any other tips to share with the community. Like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Watch next gardening hacks for fruit trees.